Hello guys, this will be a complete guide on how to use Phantom Wallet to trade Memecoin. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know. So before we go right in, please go to like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. So the first thing is for you to actually look for the coins that you want to buy. If you want to actually use Phantom Wallet to trade Memecoin, so you have to look for the coin that you want to buy. And to do this, you can come over to this search bar, right? Click on this, and you can see on this, you're going to see trending tokens, top lists, and people to follow. But I'm going to click on this trendy tokens. I'm going to click on the see more on this button, and it's going to give me the coins that will be trending in the past 24 hours. The good thing you know about this is that you're not the only one seeing this. Phantom Wallet has over 2 million users. We check Play Store, Apple Store, you're going to see that they have a lot of downloads. That means that millions of users are seeing these particular tokens. And you also agree with me that for a meme coin to do very well, it needs attention. You get so if a lot of people are seeing these particular coins on their top, you get like on the top 10 in fact of the day, this means that these particular coins tends to actually pull a lot of audience. You get so actually coins that you should probably look at and think of investing. So I'm going to quick check few of them and open them up and teach you how to trade them. You know that I don't recommend you buy any of these coins that I'm going to select or set on this video because by the time you might get to see this video, those coins might have done what they want to do and it should be a waste to get. So let me check this second one, Sloper. And the very first time I'm seeing Sloper, all you do is to scroll down and check the market cap. Simple. Market cap is 508k market cap. It was released just yesterday, July 31st. Volume is looking good. So, I want to do is to take note of their name, Sloper. Then this other one, let's see, I'm trying to get the ones that have not done the way. This one have over 6,000 yet. So, this first one, don't just pay 5%. Let me pay. Market cap is low, below 1 million. Can actually be a very good buy because coins that are below 1 million market cap, it is easy for them to run, you get. So this one market cap is 1.76 million market cap and was quoted July 9. It's a bit old. So most recent coins you get tends to do well more than coins that have been around for a while. But as you know, I don't want to make it too long. So this is just 400k market cap created yesterday, July 31st. So I want to take me this particular one, mean money markets, MAN, Sloper, and let's see if we get on that one. So I'm also trying to use a ticker to get the coin. This one I have on the ticker. This particular one is kind of fun. It's something new. Let's see. Market cap is not that high. You might see, check it out too. So market cap is 208k market cap, which is good. So we will check this. The next step is to open up your dexscreener. You get to check these particular coins out. So guys, this is dexscreener and I've opened up this particular coin. This is the first one, Sloper. You can see. So I just checked the highest point this coin was run to was close to 1 million market cap. And now there's a very good pullback to this particular place. It's like a support level. You get this like a support level, and I think this is actually a very good entry point, though. Well, as you can see, right? So I don't want to actually complicate things for a lot of you guys, but I understand that you guys are newbie. So the basic truth is that for memecoin trading, you don't buy at the very top. Because as you can see, the coin has got to 1 million. It traces down to about 85k, and now it's top is at 500k. You get so, as I can see at this particular place, this is kind of a support level you get. So, just like I said, you can only buy meme coin if they are trying the gate. So, what you should be simply doing is, for me, I will simply go to this like USD and put this, let's say, greater than $500 and see if people are bought greater than $100, like recent times. As you can see, this is just 1 minute ago, somebody bought $1K, $100, which means that people are still interested in this particular coin. But you must check this. And also, you can check their Twitter page to see if people are talking about these particular coins and if their Twitter page is actively posting too. Yeah, but this is a new coin. So it's a new coin, so people might get to see this and this coin might do what we don't know. So if we want to enter this coin, this I don't know if it's going to go deeper, but we don't know that we can't predict the market. But I just trading if everything clicks, you get what we define. if they click, so we can trace, you can see it has been up and down. It's 700k market cap is down. This is actually very good. What's it called? A good point to enter this particular place. And once you get to 700k market cap, you can take profit. You get make some cool close to 2 years or so, and you leave this stock coin. That's how it is. You don't really make coin from. I can see it gets to 600k deep for about 400k every day. The now is currently down now, which is actually a very good entry place. And you get to close to 70k market cap, take a profit, and you move on. You get so this is what I can see in this particular project. Get ensure you check this to see people are actually putting money into this particular project. See that people are not putting money in it, so you can simply ignore the coin. So the second one, Chica, and so in 5 minutes, that's over 120 transactions, which is not bad. Yet, and it's so a recent coin 10 hours ago. So you can just put this in the next in 5 minutes time frame for you to see what the coin has actually done. You get so this is like pullback to 100k market cap. You can see is pulled back to where to this previous row right here. So this is actually a very good entry. You get so you can possibly wait for this particular coin. You get if it gets down, it's coming down, right? If it gets down to this particular place and it breaks it down, started going up again, started going up again. You should know that okay, you should enter people are interested in it. And there's you can also do a simple trick I showed you. Just put this in whether $100 and see that people putting big money into this particular coin. Yet, so people are actually putting money into this. Because people are taking progress. People putting money into this particular coin. It is this big money to actually move this particular coin up. You get so if you enter this space, you're looking to take profit at 100k market cap. But if it's one, you should be happy. You get, but it is better you make 2 STS than release your money open to make higher returns. You get so the other one we check is this personal one, and this called money markets, whatever. So all the same thing you do, put it in 5 minutes and see what it has done. Wow. This particular one is going down, as you can see, like just going down. So this might not actually be a very good one. You get it. It might not be a very good one. You can see how the chart looks like the from up, go down straight. So this might not be actually very good one for you to treat or for you to look into. Yeah, true. Well, probably it might do well. We don't know, but it's not like it's not looking actually looking really good. You get so what you should do, you can keep looking at it. You get like put in a watch list and find some kind of support. Let me put it in 1 minute time frame first and see. Well, it's starting to go up. Let me see what it has done before. Okay, it has gone to about 2 million market cap, and now it is at 500 million market cap, as you can see. So you just have to wait. If it start trending upward again, you probably should consider going to it. But right now, I don't think it is. But in the last 5 minutes, just 19 transactions to K volume, which is not pretty much good. But you can check the Twitter. If the coin is trending on Twitter, then you should know that you should consider buying it. But I prefer you wait first and see people putting more into this other coin before you get right in. And last one will be this particular one. And in the last 5 minutes, last 60 transactions, 5k volume. This is also very, very good for you to enter. So all you need to do is simply check buy entry into these particular coins. So we can see that all the coins I showed you in this video are actually coins people are actually interested in. Means that they're actually really very good coins that you can look into yet. So after all of this, the next thing you do is to select the ones that you want to buy. You get the ones that have more press, more um signal that is going to do really well. Those are the ones you should select that you want to look into. You get well, let me see this. For this particular one, this one is that people are buying to eat, but they're buying with little money. So you can put this in $100 and see if you have put in bigger money into this particular coin. So it's more of is profit taking. So you can look for the one that you want to get into. For me, if I want to buy any one, this particular one. So it should be this particular one, right? If I want to get into these particular coins, this one is going up and going down. So I need to do is to copy the CA and they can head over to your dexscreener and get purchase the coins. Let me show you how to do this. But this way you can copy a copy CA from this particular place. So guys, after copying the CA, the next step is to fund your Phantom wallet. I believe now to do that. To fund your Phantom wallet, you tap on receive and you'll be given your Phantom wallet address, Solana, copy Solana wallet address, go to an exchange, buy Solana and send it to this particular wallet address. After that, then come to this particular place, this search bar, click on this. Then it's going to take you to this. What we'll be doing is that we'll be going to a website called either Jupiter or Radium to buy this particular token. So let's click on Radium. You come to this place, it's going to take you to Radium. Tap on open. It's going to take you to Radium sign. Radium is a decentralized exchange which we can use to buy and sell Memecoins or coins listed under the Solana ecosystem. So let's give this a sec for it to load up.